Welcome back. Alec Baldwin is now the target of a new lawsuit from the family of a cinematographer who was killed on the set of Baldwin's film Rust after a gun he was holding went off. Baldwin is accused of failing to follow protocols and recklessly causing her death. Legal analyst Dan Abrams breaks down the lawsuit for this week's Legal Edge.
Bringing our chief legal analyst, Dan Abrams. So Alec Baldwin met with the family. He knew this lawsuit was coming, but are you surprised he's so central in the lawsuit?
I am. We knew that they were going to sue Alec Baldwin, the producer, and the other producers for a variety of safety issues and other issues on the set. But you read this lawsuit, and it's not just about Alec Baldwin, the producer. It's about Alec Baldwin, the guy who shot her. It's about what Alec Baldwin didn't do to prepare for this moment. It's about what Alec Baldwin did do at that moment. And it's a devastating indictment. There's even a reference in the lawsuit to possible criminal charges, which, as you know from your interview, that Alec Baldwin has just been sort of dismissing as if it's not a possibility.
What's his best defense?
I think it's both legal and factual. On the factual side, he's going to repeat much of what he said to you, which is, it was a mistake. It was just a horrible mistake, and he wasn't negligent.
And he was told there were no live bullets in the gun.
Exactly. Not my fault is going to be the factual defense. There's also going to be a legal defense, which is to say, for example, this is not the kind of lawsuit that should be in a civil court. It should be dealt with because it's a labor case in a different venue.
Something I've never seen before in the filing of a lawsuit, that animated video they played.
Yeah, look, this is Hollywood, right? I mean, this is a Hollywood case. It's about a film. And so the lawyers have put together effectively a movie about what happened. Now, this recreation likely would not be admissible in court, but in the court of public opinion, they can show what they say is that happened to let people understand better their position of the case.
You spoke with the Hutchins family attorney. What struck you?
First of all, that a settlement's always possible, right? One of the things I said to him is, would you settle? He said, look, most of these cases end in settlement, but he also followed up by saying that they want to move forward, they want to get the facts, but it is also the sort of antagonism between the family and Alec Baldwin now as a legal matter, which is very different than the
big change of tone.
Big change in tone than we had at the outset of this.
Dan Abrams.
This is